Hi everyone, City Beauty has an amazing gift bundle that they've just come out with. There's 6 amazing products in them. You can mix and match them. You can give the whole package to somebody with all 6 gifts. You can break them up into 1 or 2 gifts individually, but there's all kinds of great stuff in here. And I'm gonna start with the under eye recovery, the first of the 6. And I'm going to apply some to my under eye area. And this is going to work on the dark circles under your eyes. It's going to firm up the skin. It's going to diminish those fine lines. And it's gonna also get rid of that puffiness. Sometimes we wake up in the morning and we have puffy eyes, maybe from inflammation, things like that. And you're gonna just tap it under your eye area and let it just penetrate in, and you're gonna see it do its magic. And hopefully I have this all spread across my skin, and that is the under eye recovery. Again, for dark circles, for puffiness, for fine lines. There's a lot of great, amazing ingredients that are going to hydrate, moisturize, and just give you that beautiful glow. And it feels good on your skin as well. I can already feel it penetrating in. You can use this morning and night. So after you wash your face in the morning, you're gonna apply this under your eyes. And then before you go to bed at night, same thing, you'll wash your face and then you'll apply this under your eyes. And what you're going to wash your face with is, this is the Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. It's fast acting, it's deep penetrating, it's got exfoliants in it as well. Very light, it comes in a gel form, and see this red color? That is from the dragon blood extract. And the dragon blood extract is from the Amazon, and this also has fruit enzymes in it, and it is going to moisturize, hydrate, it's going to firm up your skin, and this is something you use in the morning and the evenings, and you're just going to get your face damp, and then you're going to spread it along your face and moisturize it in. And see, it just comes in kind of a gel form. You can feel the little granules in there, the exfoliants, and it's really going to feel good on your skin, and you're going to see a big difference once you start using the Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. It's got amazing ingredients that are going to hydrate, moisturize, firm up your skin. It's fast acting, it's deep penetrating, it's got the exfoliant scrub, but it's not going to strip your skin. It's going to moisturize and hydrate your skin. And I just love this product. So that again is morning and night. And then the third product I'm going to show you, the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. Also in this 6 gift package, you also get this little spatula here, and you also get this one here that comes with this moisturizer right here. So this is the City Beauty Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. And I will put a little bit of this on my face and show you how it does its magic. This is going to sculpt and firm your skin. So it's going to get rid of that saggy skin. That is one of the main things it really does. It gets rid of that sagging skin. And this is something that you'll use in the morning and in the evenings. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm gonna take a little on the spatula there, just a little bit right there. And I'm going to apply it to my face, my neck, my décolleté. And again, you can use this morning and night. And I'm gonna put a little dab here, a little dab here. I'm gonna put a little on my neck, and I'll moisturize that in. And hopefully, hopefully I have spread this all over my face and neck area. And you can even take it down to your décolleté, and hopefully, because I don't have a mirror in front of me, I'm not able to see what I'm doing. So hopefully that is penetrating into the skin nicely. And again, this is for sagging skin. It's for fine lines and wrinkles. So it's going to hydrate, moisturize, it's going to brighten your skin, it's going to tighten your skin, and this is quite amazing. So again, that product is the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. And hopefully I have it all penetrated into my skin and my neck area. But you can put this on your neck, your décolleté, your face. It's amazing. Here's another product. This actually is for your whole body. This is the Invisit Body Balm by City Beauty. And this is for your whole body, with your arms, chest. You could also put this on your neck. You could put it all over your body. And it's a body, almost like a body butter, if you will. And see how thick that is? You can see right there. And I'm gonna put just some the cap there onto my arm, and I'm just gonna massage it in, and you'll be able to see. Oh, I can already feel, you can feel it penetrating into your skin, moisturizing and getting rid of that crepey skin, that dry skin. It's a rich, luxurious, beautiful moisturizer. And again, that is the Invisicrepe Body Balm, okay? And that is pretty amazing. And it's gonna go from neck down all over your body. And now we are going to do the Line-Smoothing HydroMask. So it comes in a box like this. You get 5 of these. And the great thing about this mask is there's a lot of great things about this mask, but it's got hyaluronic acid and peptides in it. Hyaluronic acid basically is a moisture magnet. And this is a beautiful serum. And it's when you take out the mask, there'll be a protective shield. You'll peel that shield off, and the gel side of it, where all the serum and all the main ingredients are, is where you're going to place onto your face. It even has little eye flaps that you can lift up or take down. And you want to leave this on from anywhere from 10 to 15 to even 30 minutes. And this is like a day at the spa. This is wonderful. If you have a special event, things like that, you want to probably put this mask on before that and lay down on your yoga mat and just relax and have a little spa moment. And take out about 30 minutes out of your day to do this. You get 5 in the pack. The cool thing is you can break these up and give them out individually. So this is a beautiful part of this gift set of the 6 different items. Now, I'm saving this item for the last. This is the Clear Lip Plumping Lip Gloss by City Beauty. And I'm going to show you what happens when you put this lip gloss on. So you'll see my lips plump up. And the cool thing about this is if you're going no makeup one day and you want to have that all natural, beautiful look, you're going to put on your Clear City Lips Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. And you can mix this with, let's say if you wanted to do a lip pencil and color your lips, just give you a little bit of color, you can add this on top of that. You can wear it plain, whatever. But if you look at my lips, you can already see them plumping up, and it's going to last a long time throughout the day. This is long lasting. It's not sticky, or some of the lip balms, they can tend to smell funky. They can, just be really gunky almost, if you will, if that's even a word. But these go on really nice. They hydrate, they moisturize, and I mean, look. I just love them, and they feel good. They feel amazing, and these are great. So this wonderful gift set, there's 6 items in here, and I'll just go through them really quick again. So you've got your under eye recovery, you've got your Clear Lip Plumping Lip Gloss, and you've got your multi-action sculpting cream. This is going to lift that saggy skin, and it's going to brighten, tighten, moisturize, hydrate, give you that radiant glow. This is the Invisicrepe Body Balm. This is going to go all over your body. It's thick and luxurious, and it's going to get rid of that crepey skin. And then we have that HydroMask. You get 5 in a pack. You can split these up, and I think that's all 6 of them there. Oh, the Youth Rejuvenating Cleanser. This is amazing. It's got that dragon blood extract in there. It's got fruit enzymes. It's going to tighten, brighten. It's going to cleanse, deep cleanse. It's going to exfoliate without stripping your skin. It's going to leave you moisturized and deeply hydrated after you're done using this. And this is a wonderful package to give as the whole gift. You can break it up into 2s. You can give it to your best friend, your mom, your daughter. Men like a lot of these products. You can, like I said, you can split them up. I've put the moisturizer on my face. I put the body balm on my arm. I've done the lip plumping lip gloss. All right, there you go. That's the gift pack from City Beauty. Thank you.